Oh my. Oh. What the fuck did he just? You see how that nigga just? What's up, Demi? I just got finished watching my film. We wasted fucking 22 minutes of my motherfucking time. Anyway, but we're watching Parasyte now. Parasyte. Now, what happened in the last episode?
Here is some information about watching. In Merseyside, bird-watching fanatic, Malcolm Stoneway meets people-watching, lover and true scouser, Brenda Wilson. The seemingly opposing young couple find themselves in a temperamental, on-and-off relationship.
Hey, Google, turn off. Yo, Google just be... Damn, but they be listening to my conversations. This shit's crazy. Anyway, fuck what I'm about to say. I don't even know what I'm about to say. Let's get to the episode, man. I don't even know what I'm about to say. That shit scared the fuck out of me. I don't even want to talk no more. Let's just get to that episode. So, you niggas know about this? Oh shit! That nigga Parasyte! He a Parasyte! Oh! Oh god. Look at that nigga face! Oh shit! This shit started off crazy. So it's like, did the government tell them about this thing about the hair shit? Because I feel like everybody, like the kids was doing this now, they did that. What's going on? Oh my god, she literally seeing this. Oh, they gang. Okay, specifically with the gang, you're disgusting. I don't know. We don't do that over here, but the way they're just sucking on humans like that is crazy to me. And calling us meat. What are you trying to think about it? I mean, I know some of us got some big meat, but we don't got just meat. I mean, I got some big meat, but what the fuck? That shit just turned to a hand. What the fuck, yo? Nah, turn this shit off, bro. Turn this shit off. I don't want to dream anymore. Let's wake up. Yeah, bitch. It's about fucking time you started waking up. Weak ass dream. I know you want some shoes, you think, but that's a weak ass dream. Bitch really be stalking me. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that one. The fuck? Don't do that one. Don't do that one. Oh God. Maybe don't work with him because he's still has human in him type shit, so I don't really work with him. She's still a human. I wouldn't do it. She's probably gonna find out regardless, but I don't know. I don't know how smart that is. What is that gonna do? That's just gonna get you fucking killed. Yeah, I don't know what this bitch is thinking. She's fucking crazy. She wants to die. I mean, you're acting for a death wish, bitch. Do not do that. If you just any type of dangerous shit from him, don't fuck their fucking hairs out. That shit will get you ate in an instant, nigga. Them niggas don't got no sympathy for niggas like you. On me, nigga. The fuck? Did you just say it made me happy getting fucking pressed into the wall? I ain't gonna lie, this bitch really giving me type of groupie type times and shit. She like being fucking punched and pushed and elbowed. This bitches out like that. And I feel like she one of those. And stop being jealous, bitch. I was just speaking to the hoe. You know what I'm saying? I can't speak to bitches no more. I can't speak to bitches no more. On my dick. No. Reality. See, we're not you. See, he sees the main. You're the side. See, that's the thing. Sides always dream of being the main, but they will never be. That's why y'all gotta live in the dream world, while she lives in the real world, the real reality. She is the main. You don't get it fucked up now. Always know. Bitch, you better stop. Yeah, alright. You ain't lose shit. You don't got a chance in hell, bitch. You can be a side, but you always gonna be a side. Sides can't be main. It's never been like that in all of fucking... Broccoli has never been a main food. Never. I don't give a fuck. No nigga said that's never been main. Might be a good ass side, but it will never be main. You can't be a side to a main. You will always be a side. No matter how much you trying to be a fucking main, you will always be a side fucking dish. And that will never change. Beans, side, my nigga. Beans are a side shit. Side dish, man. Now, some niggas eat beans by themselves. But like I said, regardless, there's always gonna be some side. Niggas not making beans is not gonna be no mean, no main shit. And that's how it always has been since the beginning of time. Nigga. I come back and I'm saying niggas start shit with more niggas. Why do y'all do this shit? Oh my. Oh. What the fuck did he just? Baby, you see how that nigga just killed them nigga? That had to be the most coldest kill I ever seen in my life. I've never seen gonna go and kill that. Oh, nigga said, what the fuck? Oh my god. He threw his head. Oh my god. This gotta be the most psycho nigga I've ever seen in my life. This gotta be the most menace shit I've ever seen in a fucking day in my life. I'm telling you, I've never seen nothing like this. He loves it. I love it. Oh, this nigga's great. God. Oh. I look at that. What's up, huh? And nigga, and Princess, one day he put that shit in his shit back to when they hit his shit. He's eating bullets and he's taking niggas out. Oh my god. This nigga is getting stabbed with swords and is eating it. He's loving it. This is the most menace nigga I've seen in anime ever. This nigga's crazy. This nigga was straight smoke. Pretty dangerous. This nigga just walked out! This gotta be the most gangster nigga I've ever seen. He just walked out and didn't give a fuck, blinking after he just murked the niggas. And now he's taking a fucking jog, my nigga, like it's an afternoon fucking run, my nigga. I gotta get my miles in. I gotta go to work, ass nigga. I've done my mission, ass nigga. He's right there! It was a bluff! He's stealing niggas! He just killing niggas to kill! He just steals some niggas. I've been through a lot. That ain't like, I don't want to speak on none of that. But yeah, he went into that shit quick. He said, nigga, we dead in that. We dead in that. We not speaking on none of those. I feel it though. I'm telling you, kids is just more than the devil. I don't give a fuck what no niggas say. Look at this crying. Bitch, stop fucking up. I'll stomp in your face, you bitch ass nigga. You need to eat that nigga. She gonna beat the fuck out that nigga. Oh, good. Damn! She's trying to go face! So, he deserved a slap, though. She low-key a good mom, because he deserved the fucking slap right there. I hope you die. Bitch! Would have slapped my kid, you ever say some shit like that. Bitch, and I hope you fucking get your ass broke, bitch. Fuck. Would have beamed her. Fucking bitch ass kid. This nigga, what you doing? Relax a little. That's not your mom, buddy. The fuck? You think she like keep you grounded? Damn! Titty! Whoa! Damn! Yeah, bitch. That's mine! Stand there. You're not your side. I'm telling you, sides ain't trying to be mains. You are a side. Stay in your place. You don't gotta go away, but you're a side. Remember, you're a side. Yeah, snapped her. Started with that kiss on her head. You feel what I'm saying? See, I'm studying with this dick of mine. That ain't no cap. Bitch, when you stop saying that weak ass shit, yes, I'm him, nigga. I'm him, nigga. I'm him, nigga. Hey, what smoke? What's up with you bitch ass niggas? Oh, three? Yeah. Never mind, man. Never mind, nigga. We not fucking with 5 of these niggas. That shit is dead. 5? What? Oh, that nigga looked at me. He looked at me. He looked in my eyes. He looked at my soul. He looked at my soul, nigga. He know me. He know him now. He looked at my soul. He see the fuck out of us. He see the fuck out of me. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We can't really be interacting with her because he might try to get her because of association with me type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, that's your girl that you close to her, and boom, 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 might try to get out the way right then and there. So that's a bad look that he seen her face. So now he might try to kill her and shit. Oh, this is not good. Oh, my fucking dog shit. Woo. So, Parasyte is on a fucking wild. Parasyte running from there. The same Parasyte that just was murking niggas. Bop, bop, bop. Running through the... That had to be some of the most menacing killing I've ever seen, bro. That had to be one of the most menacing niggas I ever seen in anime. One of them, to be honest. Like, that was some real life menace shit. One of the most menacing I've ever seen in my life. The way he was just killing these niggas with a smile on his face and shit. To imagine when it test how capabilities it was against knives and swords and guns, you insane bitch. Fucking crazy. Now these niggas running for mayor. And they look me deep in my eyes, they into my soul, so he knows what I look like. And then he knows what my side chick look like. Speaking of the side chick, you know, she real jealous and shit, and I really don't know what it is. You know, what we do know about the side chick is that the side chick is she can, like, I guess, sense parasites, I guess, right? I assume, right? She has a sense for them. So she might realize that the mayor is something wrong. She might, I don't know. They might touch on that next episode, which I'm interested to see if they do. But yeah, like she has a sense for this shit. You know what I'm saying? And whatnot. You know? And I don't know what I was gonna go on after that. I don't know what the fuck I'm trying to say. But yeah, she has a sense for this, that, and the third. And, you know, she fuck with the kid. But, you know, like I said, sides can't be mains. Sides will always be sides, and sides will not be the mains. It's just not going to happen. Not with a main as good as my main is. The main he got is a down the bitch main. But she been acting a little bitchy lately. Speaking on the main, you feel what I'm saying? Bitch, you different. Yeah, bitch, I'm different. I have parasite cells in my body. I would be different. But she doesn't know that. And I've been through a lot of traumatic situations. Nigga, my mom died. My dad is scarred, nigga. He's scarred for life because of that shit, though. What are you talking about? Like, a parasite fucking cloaked as my mom stabbed me in my chest. Yeah, I'm fucking different. But you don't know that. So she's upset because she know, okay, it's not the scene that she used to know and shit like that. But it's like, shorty, I'm not coming. I got some similarities. You know, I'm cooler. Let's be honest. I'm a cooler ass Shinichi. You feel what I'm saying? Shinichi was a cool nigga. Don't get me wrong, but I'm a cooler version of that nigga. But her, she loved the regular Shinichi. She loved the other Shinichi better. You know what I mean? Even though they kind of the same, but they're not at the same time. They're different. So I don't know how that's gonna go and what she's gonna be on, because she's still crying about how it's not that really you, this not you, all this other shit. Bitch, it's me. What? I got the same nigga just because I put some gel in my hair, nigga, and my voice got a little deeper. What? And I got no glasses? It's still me, shorty. But anyway, I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm very excited. I fuck with that Parasyte. I think that Parasyte is running for mayor, the same Parasyte that was killing them niggas. I think he is. Cause wasn't that was the same nigga that went inside the car and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? And he was like, oh yeah, you look different. So I was like, oh, what you mean like different that shit? So he might have fucking cloaked. Because when he fucking went up in the tree, he might have fucking just took another fucking body and cloaked and shit. So I'm interested because I'm very interested in that nigga because he's a fucking demon and I love it. But anyway, yeah. See you next time. No kids.